Welcome back to House of Hoon. Today we're going to be building a custom bull bar for my old man's absolutely beautiful 80 series right here that we've just chopped into a single cab. We were toying with the idea of either buying a steel bull bar or modifying one to suit it. But in the end, the good looking bull bars were really expensive or the cheaper ones just look like crap, in our opinion anyways. So here we are, about to create a custom bull bar from scratch and to the design that my old man likes. Because after all, it's his four-wheel drive and he needs to be happy with it, no one else. Well, except for Mum, but shh, we'll keep that between you and me. Now, where do we begin? Well, we're going to start off from the center and work our way out. So, that's what this piece of 2mm mild steel right here is for. The old man has already cut it out with a grinder from a 1200 by 2400 sheet. Now we just need to fold it, so let's get into it. Alright, so I've now finished welding up the main center box section. I still need to throw a few holes in it, but we'll leave that till later. It's now time to start on the side wings. which I may have already started on, but let's get into it. Well, here we are a few weeks after starting this bull bar, and it's now complete and bolted up to the 80. During this build, a lot of people were saying that it looks like an X-Rocks bar, which admittedly it did a little bit at the start. However, now that it's finished, I think it looks completely different and most definitely a unique bull bar. Now, this bull bar is not designed to have a winch bolted directly to it. If we ever decide to install a winch, I'll just fabricate a cradle which will bolt between the two chassis rails. For the foreseeable future, we're just going to hang some rope out of the fairlead with a hook and continue this cruiser's theme of all show and no go. I've received a lot of positive feedback during this build, as well as quite a few requests for a DIY kit. So this has led me to jump into CAD and start designing the bull bar to have all the pieces laser cut. The center section will be designed to mount a winch to for all of those hardcore enthusiasts out there. If you're interested in one of these kits, be sure to follow House of Hoon on either Facebook, Instagram or TikTok, because as soon as they're ready to go, I'll be posting them up there. Now, if you made it this far, chances are that you found this video at least half interesting. So if you could do me a favor and hit that like button, I'd really appreciate it. If you'd like to see more videos like this, be sure to click that subscribe button. And as always, there's no need for a 79 series when you have an 80.